Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. I had a few things left over from making this cute little album for Country Craft Creations using the Simple Stories Just Chicken In card kit. I made this album. I have a separate video and tutorial on this if you want to check that out. I had a few things left over, so I went to my stash, pulled out different red, white, and yellow ribbon, and I took the little tags from the tag sheet that I had left over and cut them all apart and went ahead and punched a hole in each one. And I'm thinking about making a little tag album with some ribbon here. So let's see how this turns out. I don't know. We shall see. Okay. So I'm going to thread, I'm taking this organza type ribbon and I'm going to thread it through. And I'm just going to keep doing that, and we'll work on this and finish this up in just a second, so stay tuned. Okay, so I've threaded this first ribbon through, all of them. I have about, from this collection left over, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different little tags. Now, if you don't have a collection that has tags pre-made like this, you could, of course, cut your own, and these would be, to make it this size, 2 2¼ wide by 4 tall. So go ahead and make you some tags if you don't have a collection like that. And I'm going to just tie this, pull this through and tie it in a knot here at the top. I'm going to take some of this with the stitching in. I think this is really awesome. And I'm going to pull some of that through, cut that off right there, and just tie it around, not through the holes, but through the ribbon. And I'm just going to tie a knot right there. Okay, like that. Then I'm going to take some of this yellow, and I'm going to thread it through also through the red loop and bring it up, tie it into a knot. I think I'm going to tie that one into a bow later. So tie a knot right there, secure it really good, and let's cut this off. This was crinkled up. Okay, then I have the red pom-poms. Let's see if we can get those in there, because I think they're be cute. Okay, tie that in. I have white ones too, but I really like the red with the farm country looking tags. Okay, so we tie that, pull that tight, and then cut these guys off here. So we'll set that aside. This one I think might not work, but it might work on something else. So put that to the right. So, except for the white, I think that's where I'm at. And so I'm going to take the yellow and see about tying it into a bow. See how I like that. I know ribbon may be a little bit different binding than you're used to, as long as everything still flips up. Because see, the only thing that's threaded through is that first red. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go through and trim things a little bit. Okay, so I like that. It's just kind of, if you want it shorter, you can do shorter. And then here on the bottom of this one, let me put this ribbon here. Let me get some score tape. tape works great. I sometimes use the art glitter glue too, but I'm just going to put a piece of this and kind of extend it so I can tear it off straight. Where is my new tool? Oh, I know it's there. It is. To tear off my tape, nice and straight. This is from Country Craft Creations. If you don't have this tool, check it out. Tears the tape straight across. And then this other piece I had wasn't straight, so I tore it off too. There, see? Nice and neat. And now we're ready to take that backing off. And we'll put this ribbon right down on that. Kind of extend it on each side, and then I'll trim it off. I could have wrapped it all the way around, but I'm just going to trim it even with the tag. Just like that. Now this is like the front of our little tag album. And let's see what we got. Elements left. Best Tunes Forever. Hey There, Moo. Deliver to, send you a little hug. No. Pickle. I don't have all the elements that these go with. Hey, how's it growing? How about High Sunshine? Like that. Or just plain Hello. Hello is cute. Let's do Hello. Hello and High Sunshine. Okay, little blue. So this is a little denim banner. And I'm going to put it right here at the top on this one. And then it says High Sunshine. So this is like a little tag mini album, but you can also send it or get it as a gift, like a little card. Hello, High Sunshine. Okay. It's cute. Then we have some different elements here, like this little butterfly and flower chipboard piece. So I'm just using up leftovers that I have left over from making that one little album. So sometimes it's fun to just have a quick little project that you can make in, you know, an hour or so. I like that. That's cute like that. We got some hearts. I like some cross stitching here. It's got a little snippet on it. I'm going off. Didn't get that one off of that one. Okay. So I like this little cross stitch heart in the red. I'm going to put it right here. Okay. So that's the front of the album. Now I'm going to go through and just look at things like Love You Till the Cows Come Home. We can put a heart or something there, like I've got this yellow heart. Very sweet. So I'm just going to leave that one like that. That's the last one. That flips it around back to the front here where it's decorated. Okay, so that is the little tag album. Real quick, simple, easy to make. Just tied in, lots of different little ribbons. I love how it looks. You can just kind of spread it out if you wanted to, or stand it up maybe. Anyway, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Just click on subscribe, and then if you haven't, or if you have clicked on the bell, then you'll get notifications. If you've got a Google account, you'll get notifications every time I upload a new video. And remember to shop at countrycraftcreations.com for your scrapbooking supplies. Thank you so much for joining me with this project. I don't think I have enough of anything to make a third project with this, but I'll take a look at it and see. So thanks again for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.